grasshoppers. Hi, welcome back to the garden. Today is Wednesday, February 15th. We got a cold front coming. 37 tomorrow. That's winter gardening for you. Let's get these buttoned up. And I am going to put just a little bit around the bottoms to get a pretty good comparison on these. I mean, they're getting their true leaves on them already. See how they do in a couple days. Well, so far I've scared 2 grasshoppers out from under where the whole frames are going to be. So hopefully they won't be munching the whole time. Looks like the cats walk through here. Good boy. What is it? I don't know if I really need to do this, but it is going to get down to 19, and these haven't sprouted yet. So I'm just going to cover them up, come down that lid, little greenhouse inside a greenhouse. You ready to go? You ready to go? Oh, yes. Come here. Oh, good boy. Oh, you got a stick. Come here. Oh, you got a stick. Come on. Mulch. You make a mulch. You make a mulch. You make a mulch. Oh, good boy. Me and Riley want to thank you for stopping by the garden and helping us button up the cold frames for the storm that's coming. Oh, God bless you. And until next time, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. You ready to go to the house? Let's go to the house. Come on, let's plant. Let's go plant garden.